Introduction to Current Electricity. Objective: to understand the phenomenon of electric current. Almost all modern-day devices are powered by electric current passing through them. But what exactly constitutes electric current? Electric current can be defined as the movement or flow of charge. To understand how and why charge flows through matter, we need to dive deeper into the constitution of matter. Matter around us is made up of molecules. Molecules, in turn, are made up of one or more atoms. Atoms consist of positively charged protons within the nucleus and negatively charged electrons orbiting around the nucleus. The amount of negative charge on an electron is equal to the amount of positive charge on a proton. The number of electrons in an atom is equal to the number of protons in the atom, making the atom neutral. Electrons around the nucleus are arranged in shells. The outermost occupied shell is called the valence shell. For some elements, electrons in the valence shell are easily dissociable and thereby free to move in the lattice that forms the physical structure of the material. Such elements are called metals, and the easily dissociable free electrons move in random directions inside the metal. If an electric field is applied to the metal, free electrons tend to move in one direction. When a free electron collides with an atom, it transfers its energy to the outer shell. If only one electron is present in the valence shell, the energy propagation inside the material is efficient. That's why the metals which have one valence electron, such as copper, silver, and gold, are good conductors of electricity. Metals which have 4 or more valence electrons, such as silicon or germanium, are not that great at conducting electricity. They are called semiconductor metals. Semiconductor metals play a huge role in solid-state devices such as diodes and transistors, which are the backbone of present-day information age. We will study the current flow in semiconductors later in semiconductor electronics. Right now, let us focus on the current flow in conductors. Broadly, materials can be classified into conductors and insulators. Conductors allow electricity to easily pass through them. Insulators, on the other hand, resist the flow of current. If you look at a wire carrying current, the inner part of the wire carrying current is usually found to be copper. The outer part of the wire is usually plastic, which is an insulator. It stops current from escaping the conductor.